Hello, this is Hui. Welcome to watch my video, Python scripting on Linux. In this short video, we are going to discuss how Python working with Apache2 HTTP server on Linux. Here on Linux server, I have a Linux, which my IP address is home IP address is 192.168.0.105. Apache2 HTTP server available for almost all the Linux distribution. So to check if Apache2 has installed on Linux, just type http :/ and the IP address, which is 192.168.0.105. There become out Apache2 Ubuntu. This is my Linux distribution and the default page. So it says it works. If it hasn't installed and just goes to the Linux server, log into the super user, just type sudo apt-get install Apache2. So here it's already installed, and so just it's already the newest version, which is 2.4.46. And so after you install this Apache2, it will be default web page is under the var www htm index. So here's under directory var html, and this is the index, which is the default installed. To making Python working, we have to make a couple of setup. So the setup is under etc Apache2 directory. So let's go to the, have to log into super user, cd etc apache2, and so there's a few configuration file, which is .conf. So first we have to go to the conf-available page. So cd, and we build our own configuration. All this configuration file is already there, but if I want to build my -html conf, we can just write create a file which called my-html.conf. In this file, we just create a couple of lines. First, we have defined the directory, which is var www html, and we create a directory called my-html. This, we just name this. You can name any name. And then we have to add two things. First is option of this directory, which is plus exec cgi. And then second line, we have to add parameter, is add handle, is a CGI script, which we, if for Python, we have to put .py. If using Perl to write with Apache2 server, you have .pl. And this is if we want to build a web page using C++, we have to use .cgi. So, and then we save this, and then go to configure enable directory, create a link using the -s, which is link to the configure file which we just created under the Apache etc Apache2 conf enable directory. After we have done this, we just need to restart the Apache server. So to start Apache server, we have to do the sudo service Apache2 and which parameter start, or sudo service Apache2 which stop. So in this case, I just create a simple shell script and just type this shell script, tell stop and start. So we quit, is manual error, and we just press this one, which says stop. status. So you can see now my Apache server is dead. So now we can just put a start. And then we go to other server, which is we have to create a directory under www var www html, create a code my-html, and then we create a Python script here. So this is a basic Python script for just for each HTML. First, you have define string. It's a content type. text HTML. This is the header, document header of HTML, and then we can create another string, HTML string, which start HTML and with slash HTML, and this is a simple page, and we have body and slash body, and we just when with division we give the width and the center alignment and the font size, the big size, and the color is blue, and then we just print the Python script test page. So let's save this, and then we can go to our web page to check, and in this case we have my HTML slash and HTML test.py. So now you can see we can write a simple Python script to build a simple HTML web page. This is if you want to write an application using Python to build a web application using Python. This can be the start point, and the Python has lots of methods, and the module can help to build a security table, all kind of web page. Hello, this is Hui. Thanks to watch my video. Hopefully this is useful, enjoyable, and it's going to be great to have your feedback.